Today we shall discuss how to make a mini electric heater. What we need, you see here, one bottle like this, right? This is the bottle. Here you see, this is the bottle, and here you see we have connected here two wires of heater, or you can use also nichrome wire to get it more hotness. You see here, these are two nichrome wires connected with positive and negative wires of AC current, right? This is a wire. See, this is our wire. With the help of this, we can heat water. I will show you how to make a mini electric water heater. In this way, you have to make two holes here and put the two wires. And on the other side of this, take two nichrome wires. Here you see, these are nichrome wires such that it can be, or you can also take the wires of heaters and join it to positive and negative terminal, and now it is ready for water heater, right? In this way you connect these two wires, nichrome wires, or you can also take a wires of heater and it will heat the water. I will show you how to make this mini electric heater. This is just a water bottle. This is just a bottle, right? And here we have taken in this way and join the wires of positive and negative terminal of the battery. Now we will take some water and show you how we can heat the water with the help of this mini electric water heater. Let us see. Now we will take some water. Here you see, we will take some water and try to heat the water. We are taking water in this bottle. Here you see. Yes, we have taken water in the bottle, and we will put this wire here. We will put this water here, wire in the water in this way. You see here, and these two wires are of nichrome wires, or also you can use the wires of heaters in this way, right? And connect it with positive and negative terminal of in this wire, right? Or you can just join the wire. You can use either DC or AC current, right? Here we will show you by AC current, right? First you put it here and put this under the water. Here you see, we'll put this in the water, right? And now I will use AC current for heating the water. Here you see, we are using AC current, right? right? We are we have plugged this wire in the AC current, and let's see whether water we are whether we are getting the water heated or not. We will wait for 10 minutes or more to see whether the water got heated or not. Let us see. This is a mini water heater you can make at home, right? And let's see whether it is heated or not. We will wait for 10 minutes. Let's see. In this way, you can make a mini water heater at home, right? But the wire you can take either nichrome wire, or you can use the wire of heaters, right? If you use wire of heater, the water will heat it very quickly. And it also depends on the power of the coil or power of the wire, that is how much power it is. Here we have put both the wires, two wires, in the water, and we have to wait for 10 minutes and see whether the water is heated or not. Let's see. You have to wait for 10 minutes to see whether water is heated or not. Let us wait for 10 minutes. For this mini electric water heater, you have to take a bottle and cut it here, and on the top of the bottle join two wires of nichrome wire, or also you can use wire of heaters such that it may get heated very quickly. Here we have taken nichrome wire and joined with the two wires, this one and this one, and we are connecting it to a AC current. You can also do it with DC current also, right? But here we are showing the demonstration with AC current, right? Let's see let's see after 10 minutes whether the water is heated or not in this mini electric heater. Let us see. After waiting for some time, we will see whether the water is heated or not in this mini electric heater. In this way, you can make a model of mini electric heater for your summer project also, right? Let us now see whether we have made this model successful or not. Let us see. For that you have to wait for 10 minutes, right, to see whether the water is heated or not. But you have to wait for 10 minutes to see whether we can heat the water or not. Let us wait for 10 minutes and see if water is heated in this mini electric heater. You have to wait for some time to see that it gets heated in this mini electric heater after waiting for 10 minutes. Let's see. Here we'll show you how the mini electric heater works, and you can make a model of mini electric heater in this way. For that you have to wait for 10 minutes to see whether water is heated in this mini electric heater or not. Now we wait for 10 minutes, and now we'll see whether the water is heated or not. Let's see. You have to remove this one with very safety, otherwise the water gets heated. Yes, the water heated here. You can see here. You see the water heated too much, right? Now if you put something, you see that water is heated. Here you see, you can see here that water is heated. Now we can show you some right. Now in this way you can make a mini electric heater, right? Now the water, you can see this is a hot water, right? In this way you can make a mini electric heater for your model. In this way you can make a mini electric heater, model of mini electric heater. Now you can see that water is heated, it's too much hot. You see here, right? You can feel, if you put finger in the water, you see that water is heated, right? In this way you can make a water heater or mini water heater at home, right? But you have to remember that the wire the wire you are using, it should be nichrome wire, or you should use the wires of heater, only then it will be heated, right? In this way. Or you can also use iron wire, but you have to use mostly the nichrome wire, so that it may get heated this water quickly, right? Here you see, see that water is boiling, right? Here you see that water is boiling now. You can see very well that water is boiling, and this is very good appliances of water model of water heater. You see very clearly that water is boiling, right? You see here, water is boiling. Now we can say that this is a very good model of water heater. Now you see water is boiling. Dear friends, if you like this mini water heater, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.